shoulder. Shoulder number 2. I don't know if y'all can see this. That's where I cut my thumb on that last doe. Right across there. It's healing nicely. It's still sore as can be. When you do that, it's numb really still. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, that's the way it happened. Well, that's another deer cleaned up. I don't mind doing it. I enjoy it. I like getting my own meat, knowing where it comes from. And some people might think, oh, that's a lot of work, but it ain't bad. I'm fixing to put on my regular shoes, head into town. It's water week, so I got to get some water at the park. And then I'll get some lunch at Zaxby's, and then head to the house and put some ice on that meat, and everything handled. So I had fun. I always do, or I wouldn't come out here. I enjoy getting out here, seeing the sunrise, seeing the sunset, whatever, and love watching deer. And I can assure you, in my older days, I've let far many more deer walk than I've shot. So with me taking these does, I don't necessarily get tore up over shooting a doe, but like I said, it's doe management has to be done, and plus I need meat, and I always eat meat because I drop, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I drop a couple $100 a week buying grass-fed meats because I don't like all that hormone crap in the stores they sell you. And so if I get a chance to eat, you know, wild, free-range, organic venison, then I will. So, like I said, there's 3 weekends left, counting this weekend, till January the 12th. I'm gonna come every single time and just ride it out because I enjoy it, and it'll be gone before you know it. And I think in 2 weekends, I'll bring Preston, and probably on this stand right here behind me, we'll let him shoot another doe at 308. And he's killed deer with all my rifles, but he likes to do it too, so he obviously killed one with the 350 Legend, and so this next time I'll let him shoot one with the 308 and get another doe. And then, like I said, we may kill doe number 5 after that. Just depends. I'm gonna stock up on a little meat, and like I've been eating it a lot, and I'm not kidding you won't believe it, but I mean, I've eaten a ton of it. I'm just about funneled through it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. You might think, how? I mean, I eat 2 pounds of meat every day. It adds up quick. So I eat 3 times a day, 2 pounds of meat, rationed out with my vegetables and my fruits and all that kind of stuff. So I go through it. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. If you have any comments or suggestions on other videos, I know people chime in and say, where's your camp videos? Well, we're not at Morgan County anymore. So if you watch my channel, you know that. But you never know what the future brings. I'm going to be hunting this place, and then too, I got an invite or 2 here and there, and so we'll see what happens. I may be in a club next year, and I may not. It's just circumstance. We'll see how it goes, but I do the best I can with what I have to work with, and so with the, you know, extent of getting on here half naked, I'm not doing that. So if either you like my channel or you don't. But if you do like it, tell a friend about me, share the content, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. So I appreciate everybody watching, and thanks a lot. This is Strickadell saying so long, everybody, from the Peach State of Georgia.